I welcome all of you in today's EVS session. In EVS session, we are studying so many kinds of animals. In previous session, we have studied different types of animals with different colors, sizes, different ways of movements, as well as animals which are useful to us and also those which are gate crashers, that is, which are troublesome animals. Now, today we are going to see next. We have seen that animals around us can be grouped in different ways. We form these groups using our everyday observations. However, when scientists classify animals, they look at more important characteristics of animals. Let us see how they do it. First, these are the animals which suckle their young. So, the young ones of animals like cow, dog, goat, and rat grow up on their mother's milk. These animals have four legs. They have hair on their body. They have external ears. Now, here you can see the animals that can fly. Birds have only two legs. They have two wings to fly. Their body is covered with feathers. There are differences in the flying ability of different birds. The eagle can soar high into the sky and stay in the air for a long time. But the cock does not fly high and comes down soon too. Now here these are the animals that live in water. These animals are called aquatic animals. So there are many different kinds of fish. They live in water. Fish have fins. They use their fins to move in water. There are scales on a fish body. A fish has gills behind its eyes. Fish use their gills to breathe in water. These animals are those who can creep and crawl. Chameleons, house lizards, and snakes are animals that crawl. They have scales on their bodies. Chameleons and house lizards have four legs, but these legs are very short. The snake does not have any leg at all. These are insects. Butterflies have wings too, but we don't call them birds. They are insects. They are smaller than birds. Besides, they have six legs. Animals which have six legs are called insects. So, butterflies are not insects. Mosquitoes, houseflies, and cockroaches are insects too. Bat. Do you know, children? Bat have wings, but they don't have feathers on their body. Ones of bat feed on their mother's milk. Bats are not birds like the crow, sparrow, parrot, and cock. They are included in the group of cow, tiger, deer, and mouse. This was all about few animals we are familiar with, but there are many more animals in the world. There are a lot of differences in the colors, shapes, and sizes of animals. There are differences in the ways they move and the places they live in. These differences that we see among animals give rise to a lot of variety in animals. The number of animals that live in sea is also very large. There is a great variety among them too. It is very interesting to learn about all such animals. And in this whole chapter, we have learned that different animals are found in the air, on the ground, and in water. There are differences in the colors, shapes, and sizes of animals, and also in the ways they move. We find some animals useful. We keep such animals. Some animals are a nuisance for us. Scientists classify animals according to certain important characteristics. Also, children, remember one thing: variety is the rule of nature. So, this was all about this whole chapter. Now, you also read this chapter properly at home. Thank you. Bye.